Have you ever felt like you're constantly striving to reach some far-off destination in life? Like you're running on a never-ending treadmill, hoping that one day all your hard work will pay off and you'll finally feel complete. But what if I told you that life isn't about reaching some final point? It's not a straight line, it's not a path to an end point. It's more like a dance, a beautiful piece of music meant to be played, savored, and enjoyed with every note. Today I want to share a perspective that's transformed the way I view success, goals, and life itself. The idea is simple. Life is not a means to an end, but an experience to be lived fully right now. And yet many of us miss this truth because we've been taught to think of life as a journey with a serious destination, be it success, happiness, or some far-off achievement. From the point we step into school, we're taught to think of life as a series of stages to get through. We start in kindergarten looking forward to first grade, and then it's a race through grade school, high school, college, and on to the real world. Every stage just seems to have just one more purpose, to reach the next. But think about it. Does life really become magically fulfilling once you reach each of these stages? Or is it just the same cycle, repeating over and over? Let's think of life as a piece of music. Imagine if the entire purpose of a song was just to hit the final note. How absurd would that be, right? The joy of music isn't in the ending. It's in each melody, each and every crescendo, every pause. Similarly, life is not about getting to the end. It's about experiencing the flow, the rhythm, and the moments in between. Or take dancing as an example. When you dance, you don't aim to reach a specific point in the room, do you? You move, you twirl, and you enjoy the rhythm as it comes. If you were just focused on where you'll end up, you'd miss the whole point of dancing. Our education system unintentionally sets us up to believe that life is about getting somewhere. It's all about the next level, the next achievement. But this mindset robs us of the chance to actually live. We become so focused on reaching the next stage that we miss out on what's happening right here, right now. We forget to smell the roses. And what happens when we finally arrive? When you've hit all the markers of success, graduated, got a job, made it to retirement, do you suddenly feel fulfilled? Often it's a rude awakening. Many people get to that supposed end of the journey and realize they don't feel much different than they did before. People spend years saving for retirement, believing that then, finally, they'll be free to enjoy life. But how many reach 65 only to find that they're too tired, too drained, or feel too empty to savor it? The problem isn't the destination. It's that we've been living life like it's a waiting game. What if life is more like a playful dance than a serious pilgrimage? What if the goal isn't to get somewhere, but simply to be, to savor each moment, each interaction, and to live as fully as possible right now? This isn't about abandoning goals, it's about realizing that the journey itself is where the magic happens. Success isn't some far-off point, it's woven into the very process of living. So let's shift the way we think about life. Instead of asking, where am I going? Let's ask, how can I experience this moment more fully? Next time you catch yourself striving for some future outcome, pause and remind yourself, the point isn't to get there, it's to be fully here. Remember, you're not in a race to some finish line, you're in a dance. So enjoy every twirl, every step, and every note. Life is happening right now, in this very moment. If this perspective resonated with you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Share this with someone who might need a reminder that life is meant to be lived, not rushed through. And leave a comment, let me know what part of your life are you going to start savoring more today. Until next time, keep dancing and keep enjoying the music of life. Have a great day.